If you want to set up a sleep mode on your Samsung Galaxy A36, so first of all, open up your settings. Now you have to scroll down to your digital well-being and parental controls, open it up. Now find your bedtime mode and let's press start. Now choose the desired timings. So for example, from 12 a.m. to 7 a.m. Now choose the desired days, so let it be from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Press next. Now choose whether you want to use do not disturb mode or on. Let's use it. Now choose the allowed things during it. I won't choose any, so let's press done. Let's press next. Now you can choose what to do in sleep mode, so you can turn on always on display, grayscale, dark mode, eye comfort, chill, sound mode, and volume power saving. So choose what you need, right? Choose your sound mode and the volume system. Press done when you're satisfied. Great, so now we have this mode on, and let me show you a little shortcut to it so you don't have to look for it throughout your settings. You can simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, find your mode section, open it up, and here you'll find your sleep mode. So simply activate it and all the settings which you've included into your sleep mode will start working. Well, basically that's it. You can always turn it off by tapping on this sign again, and that's how it works. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.